Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Canvas 3PlayMedia plugin to embed 3PlayMedia videos for captioning and audio description. The first step is to have your admin install the 3PlayMedia plugin. This isn't an installation video, but I'll put a link to that resource in the description. Once you have that plugin installed, the first step you're going to do is go to a page or any area in Canvas where you want to insert that video. Click on Edit, and then the tool is hiding in the editor. If you click on the little down arrow just to the right of the plug icon, that'll open up your apps. For me, 3PlayMedia is at the top, but if you don't see it, you can always click on View All, and that will show you a list of every app that you have that's compatible with the editor. I'm going to select 3Play plugin, and this automatically syncs with my 3PlayMedia account, so I can see the videos here. In some cases this isn't enough information. You'll want to see like your account media folder. What I do suggest is opening a new tab in your browser and logging into 3PlayMedia. So now I have one tab that has my 3PlayMedia files and another tab with the plugin. If it's easier for you to look at the thumbnail to select the video, then this is a good idea to have this open so you can go down. So for instance, I want to select this video here. It's got this title, which I believe is just the YouTube video code here. So I'm just going to copy that title, go back to Canvas, and in the search I'll paste it in the search and click on the little magnifier glass, and that's going to give me just that video that I need. So I'll select it, and then normally it's going to be a YouTube video, so under video player type they put Vimeo first, but almost always it's going to be YouTube. And then it asks for the video ID, and it just depends. I believe we just name our videos with the video ID when we upload them, but if you're ever wondering what that video ID is, that's why you have that other tab open to your account, so that you can go down and click on the video and then click on Details on the right, and here is where you're going to get the video ID, and you can see why it's a good practice to name the video the same as the video ID, because that'll save you from always having to go back here and find that. So now that I know the video ID, I can just paste it in here, and you can see that it matches the title we gave to that video. Then simply click Embed, and that's going to put it inside of Canvas. And I'm going to save it so you can see it how the student would see it at this point. But you can see that it's got these sliders. The width doesn't actually go all the way, which I don't like students having to use sliders, especially the width one. The down one isn't as big a deal, because if there's a lot of text they're gonna have to scroll down to see it, but the width one kind of bothers me because it's hiding this icon here. So one way to change that inside of Canvas is if you click on Edit and then click the HTML icon, which is these two brackets with the slash in the middle, and then here where it says width 640, you can go inside and edit that, and I always call it 700. That gives it enough width. So I just changed it to 700. We can actually click that HTML switch to go back to how it looks, and you can see that that bottom slider is no longer present and that icon is visible, and you'll see it even more if I click Save. And maybe I went a bit too much with the 700 width, but that's fine. I got a nice gap here, but some people might want this slider a little closer to the video. If you adjust that 700 to maybe like 680, 690, 670, it'll move this vertical slider a little bit to the left, a little closer to the video. But I'm not going to worry about that now. You want to play the video and make sure that you can hear the audio description if you have it, as well as the video playing in the background. So let's give it a test. I'll click on play.
In a Looney Tunes cartoon, Wile E. Coyote runs through a cloud of dust only to run off a cliff and linger in midair as the Roadrunner taunts him.
So you can see it played the video as well as the narration, the audio description. So I'm happy with that. I have found that if I'm in a different browser other than Chrome, sometimes it'll just play the video without the audio description. What I do recommend also is, if you're using these videos, is to add a little text above the video that says, please view this video inside of Chrome. So what I'm going to do is, when I clicked on edit, and I'm going to click the cursor to the left of the video here, and then click enter to create a space, and then go back up, and now you can see I have a little space to type something here. And this is where I would say, please use Chrome browser to hear audio description when playing the video. Something like that. Right? You just want to let them know how to hear it properly. Alright, so now that I've added that text, I'll click save. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.